Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I talk about this model, I want to give a huge thank you to all my subscribers. I just recently got over the 500 mark and I am just blown away by that. I was like super happy when I got 100 subscribers, and now to have over 500 people that care to watch me paint things is just like, wow, out of this world crazy. I can't thank you guys enough. It's just so cool to me. Yeah, so thanks. All right, about the model. This is called Bite the Bullet. She is a model from Charles Aguias at CAsculpts, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can buy this model. It is absolutely amazing. The detail is crazy. I wish that I had glued it together so that I could pick it up and show you what the kind of detail that's on the base, but you know, this is right off the printer. I haven't glued it together. I haven't done anything to it yet. I'm starting on the figure part of it. But yeah, I just got this put together with some blue tack. Let me take this apart and I'll get her up here close so you can see it. Check this out. How awesome is that? Look at that detail. So I'm pretty stoked to paint this. Lots of detail. It's going to be a lot of fun. So here's my request for you guys. I want to know in the comments below if you would prefer me to do the normal, how I paint in detail, tell you what I'm doing, what colors I'm using, everything about what I'm doing. Would you like me to make a longer video series doing that style, or would you rather me paint her, do it all in a fast time lapse with a voiceover? I know there's a lot of people that want to know in detail what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. But then there's those people out there that just want to see a model painted, and I want to make what you guys want to see. So leave me a comment as to whether you would want a video series of a very detailed paint or 1 or 2 videos of doing a time lapse. And yeah, I'll make that. So that's going to be it for this video. Just a little short letting you know what's going on. And we are right at Christmas. So yeah, I wanted to get a video put up before Christmas. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I would so much appreciate it if you would. Give this video a like and a share if you want somebody to see, you know, somebody else painting a model. Yeah, and as always, stay awesome.